Hey guys, it's Nina here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my foundation routine. Well, especially if you're someone who has dry skin, because I have dry skin, I'm gonna be showing you what are the things that I put before I put my foundation to make sure that that foundation stay in place and it's not cakey. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. I've already done my eyes, but I haven't done anything on my face yet, but I've toned it and I've put essence on it. So after I put essence, I would put my serum. I'm gonna show you. I have a very dry face right now because I just had some chemical peeling. So some parts of my face, especially this part right here, are still peeling. So it's important to make it really moisturized. So after I put on the essence, I put face oil. So this one is from Ordinary. This is the rose hip seed oil. I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna put like 2 to 3 drops. So I'm just gonna wait for about 2 minutes and then I'm gonna put on the moisturizer. So the moisturizer I'm using right now is this one, the Quench by Beauty Bio, because my skin, like I said, is really super dry. I need the most moisturizing cream out there. And then I have a very dry under eye as well. So for that one, I'm using Innisfree's Orchid Eye Cream. So after I've moisturized my face, I would put on a sunscreen. I usually put SPF 40 to 50 PA+++. You always have to make sure that your skin is protected from the UV rays. It's very important because UV rays is the one that actually age you and cause different kinds of skin concerns. After I've put on my sunscreen, I would wait for about 5 to 10 minutes to let it all settle on my skin first before I put on the primer and then foundation. I don't want them to be, mixing together. So now my face is moisturized, it's protected. I'm gonna put on my primer. This is what I'm using these days. This one is from Bobbi Brown. This is their vitamin enriched face base because, like I said, my face is dry. I really need something that's really moisturizing, and this one is it. Also, it has vitamin C and E. Vitamin C helps brighten your face. And then shea butter, of course, moisturizes your face. Again, I'm just gonna scoop some out, just a pea size. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. So if you're somebody who has an oily skin, you might use a different product than what I'm using. So for this foundation routine video, I'm gonna use NARS as my foundation. This one is in medium 3 Stromboli. So this is their all day luminous weightless foundation. This is just a medium coverage. I think you just need 1 pump. Let's finish this side first. And I'll use a beauty blender. So especially if you have dry skin, I would not advise a brush because that will exfoliate your face more, leaving your skin cakey. I suggest you use a beauty blender. I'm not putting so much under my eyes because I'm gonna conceal that. And then this is where it's usually cakey because, like I said, very dry on this crevice right here. I'm closing in, so this is what the foundation looks like. I like this. This is one of my favorite, and like I said, it's medium coverage, which is buildable to full coverage. For the concealer, I'm using Shape Tape from Tarte. This one is medium honey. What I do to set that, get my translucent powder. This is by Laura Mercier. Under my eyes is the only part that I'm gonna set with a powder. The rest I'm not gonna touch because, again, I don't want it to be super matte. So after I put the translucent powder in, I'm gonna wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for the foundation to completely dry out, to completely blend, and then I put the other products in.
'cause I got sunshine in my pocket, got that good song in my feet, feel the hot blood in my body when it drops. I can take my eyes above it, moving so phenomenally.
Gusto ko makita, yeah. Gusto ko makita isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Whoa, baby.
I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no